Welcome to Sruthi Lakshmi's Spiritual Classroom. Today we are going to learn how to square a 3-digit number. Remember, this method applies to numbers between 317 square to 999 square only. In the previous video, we learned squaring a 3-digit number, that is from 100 square to 316 square. The answer must be a 5-digit number, but in this case, the answer must be a 6-digit number. So, let's try an example. 394 square. First, find a base for 394, which is 400, because 394 is close to the base 400. Next, find the difference between 394 and the base 400, which is 6. Write 6 as minus 6 to show that 394 is less than the base 400. Next, subtract 394 with the difference 6. 394 minus 6 is 388. Multiply 388 with 4. Why 4? Because the base 400 has a 4. 8 times 4 is 32. Write down the 2 and carry the 3. 8 times 4 is 32. 32 plus the 3 is 35. Write down the 5 and carry the 3. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 plus the carry 3 is 15. So, 388 times 4 is 1552. 2 more digits to go, because when you square a number between 317 square to 999 square, the answer is always a 6-digit number. So, find the square of the difference 6. So, 6 square is 36. So, write down 36. So, 394 square is 1526. Let's try another example. 513 square. Find a base for 513, which is 500. Why 500? Because 513 is close to the base 500. Next, find the difference between 513 and the base 500, which is 13. Write 13 as plus 13 to show that 513 is greater than the base 500. Next, add 513 plus the difference 13, which is 526. Next, multiply 526 with 5. Why 5? Because 500, the base 500 has a 5. 6 times 5 is 30. Write down the 0 and carry the 3. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 plus carry 3 is 13. Write down the 3 and carry the 1. 5 times 5 is 25. 25 plus the carry 1 is 26. So, write down the 26. So, 526 times 5 is 2630. 2 more digits to go, because when you square a number between 317 to 999, the answer is always a 6-digit number. Next, find the square of the difference 13. So, 13 square is 169. Since there's only supposed to be 2 digits, we carry the 1 and write down the 6 and 9. We write the 9 as it is. 6, 0 plus 1 is 1. Next, write down the 3, 6, 2. So, 513 square is 263,169. Let's try another example. 992 square. First, find a base for 992, which is 1000. Next, find the difference between 992 and the base 1000, which is 8. Write 8 as minus 8 to show that 992 is less than the base 1000. Next, subtract 992 minus the difference 8. So 992 minus 8 is 984. Next, multiply 984 with 10. Why 10? Because the base 1000, we take 10 from it. So, 984 times 10 is 9840. 2 more digits to go, because when you square a number between 317 to 999, it's always a 6-digit number, the answer. So, square the difference 8. 8 square is 64. So, write down 64. So, 992 square is 984,064. Thanks for watching.